From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon and happy Friday, everyone. I'm Chris Long, a student meteorologist here at the Penn State Campus Weather Service with a look at our Friday afternoon forecast. We'll begin with a live look out at Beaver Stadium this afternoon. We do see some of those dark cumulus clouds that are around here in State College at this hour, and that's actually because we're seeing some snow squalls in and around central Pennsylvania. Currently, we're sitting at a temperature of 34 degrees here in Happy Valley. However, it only feels like 26 because we do have that wind whipping at 9 miles an hour at this time. Now, taking a look at the temperatures across central Pennsylvania, it's 34 here in State College. It's 34 also in Altoona, 28 in Johnstown. Then taking a look to the east, it is a little bit warmer, 39 in Harrisburg. And then as we take a look at the entire Commonwealth, Philadelphia breaking that 40-degree mark right now, and Pittsburgh sitting at 33 at this hour. Now, however, those temperatures are only part of the story because of that wind I just talked about. So here's the feel-like temperatures across the state right now, and it's awfully chilly, especially from State College and areas to the west. It feels like 26 right now in State College. It only feels like 16 right now in Johnstown. It only feels like 23 in Pittsburgh. So it is feeling pretty chilly out there at this hour. Now, here's the radar and satellite across the Commonwealth. To begin, we'll see that we're looking at mostly clear skies in the southeastern portion of the state. However, when we look at central and western portions of the state, that's where it gets a little bit more interesting, and that's because of that lake effect snow that we're seeing. So here in State College, we do have a few of those lake effect snow showers affecting us, and we actually, I just saw some snow outside just a couple minutes ago before I walked down here to the studio. We have those clouds around, again, associated with that lake effect snow. And as we take a look at the future weather, we'll see that lake effect snow kind of sticks with us throughout the rest of the day. We'll be seeing a mix of sun and clouds here in State College because we'll have those bands making their way through, and then as they make their way out, we'll have sunny skies, and then when they come back, the clouds will build again. Here's one particular model, shows that at 3 o'clock p.m., we'll be in those sunny skies. However, you don't have to go much further to the west to see some of those clouds. And then overnight tonight, we'll clear out in the early hours overnight, and then we'll have clouds move in again for Saturday morning. Throughout Saturday afternoon, we'll have that mix of sun and clouds here in State College. By 6:30 p.m., we'll be sitting with clear skies here in State College. However, we'll have some clouds to the west. And then overnight Saturday night and into Sunday morning, again, more of those mixed in sun and clouds. We could have a little bit of snow to our north here in State College. However, I think we'll stay dry from that event. And then taking a look at our Sunday, another day of a mix of sun and clouds. By 4:30 p.m., you should be seeing some sun here in State College. However, we'll have clouds both to the north and to the south here in Pennsylvania. And then finally, as we make our way towards Monday morning, that's when we should start to talk about this next system that could be impacting us. As we wake up on Monday morning at 7 a.m., we'll have those clouds here in State College. But take a look at what's happening on the top left of this map. Up northwest of us, we could be seeing some rain and snow. So let's take a look at what could be happening with this next storm system as it makes its way into Pennsylvania. We'll stop this map here at 7 o'clock p.m. on Monday, and we see where we are, we'll be seeing some rain. It'll be similar to kind of what we had with that last system, where we'll definitely start out as rain because our temperatures will be above the freezing mark. But then as we take a look at what happens as we go towards Tuesday morning, and that rain could definitely be starting to change over to maybe some frozen precipitation, maybe some snow here in State College. A little bit further to the west and further to the north, I think we'll definitely be seeing some of that snow. We're going to be right on the line, though, here as that precipitation moves out. Will we be able to make it to snow before it changes over? That still remains to be seen here. And then after that system moves out on Tuesday afternoon, we'll be seeing more of that lake effect snow machine again. So here's your forecast for today in State College. We're forecasting a high of 37 with mostly sunny skies. Again, those lingering snow showers will be around throughout the afternoon hours, and it will be a little gusty out there with gusts up to 25 miles an hour, making it feel colder than that high of 37. Overnight tonight, those skies will clear for the beginning of our nighttime hours, and then they will begin to increase again as we head towards the morning hours. We expect a low of 22 degrees, so it is pretty chilly overnight here in State College. And then tomorrow, as we get slightly warmer at the beginning of our weekend, we forecast a high of 40 degrees with mostly sunny skies, and those winds will die down, and we won't have to worry about them. If you're heading out west for the big 8-0 Penn State versus Minnesota showdown in Minneapolis, Minnesota, here's your forecast for that big football game. We're forecasting a high of around 41 degrees, and luckily, since it is a noon kickoff, or actually 11 a.m., out there. It will be the warmest part of the day during the game, which is probably good because it will be getting pretty chilly overnight there, as it is Minnesota in November. We expect overcast skies with a few scattered showers. I don't think we'll be seeing those scattered showers until at least the second half. I think we may be able to actually stay dry throughout the entire game, but we can't rule out the chance of a few scattered showers. Here's your 7-day forecast from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, and we see that really as this weekend goes on, we just get nicer. Sunday, we expect some clouds around, but a high of 51 degrees, which you can't really complain about that for here in November. But after Sunday, those temperatures just beginning to start to plummet. On Monday, we expect a high of 46, and we'll start out with rain, and then that will transition over to a little bit of snow. We expect snow showers on Tuesday as we wrap up that system, but then take a look at these low temperatures after that system moves out. We're forecasting a low of 17 on Tuesday, forecasting a low of 19 on Wednesday night, so it will be getting pretty chilly here across central Pennsylvania for the middle of next week. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Chris Long. Have a great Friday, everyone.